Look at this place. Oh, this is perfect.
Roughly 70 years ago, this old man as a little boy stood right at this door and watched Hugo Hartskamp do his blacksmith work. I go back in time every time I see this place.
So tell what you remember.
This forge right here, there's see all the tongs and stuff? That is one forge. Now, to my memory, I think there was one on the back side of that too, but I'm not 100% sure. Then this chimney was what you're talking about. That's right over here. So that's actually two sets, according to a 70-year-old memory.
That counts.
And right here you see there's a mule standing on a table back there doing a can.
Oh, get out.
Swinging a sledgehammer. Oh yeah. But I got him started out a little bit quicker because he seems to be a little sharper than the average tool.
Sharper than the average tool. It's cool.
I could be a lot worse than some of them.
That's right. Everybody can hear me talk. That's true. That is the quietest 400 I have ever heard.
Well, yeah.
Glad you're part of this, Al.
Pardon?
I'm glad you're a part of this.
Thank you.
Kind of our grand opening.
Yeah, but Fox told me all about him. I don't know if we should say what he said though. Said that you guys fed this guy and added to his poundage, and then you guys went out and had a good time at a Mexican restaurant, and you got all messed up on tequila. I did not get messed up on tequila. That's what Fox said. He had said you got all drunk. I did not get drunk. Yeah, he did.
Is this part of the kids program or not? Is this X-rated?
No, this
No,
is.
this is PG-13. Yeah, we have some stuff for adults, but we won't be doing that today.
That's for the run fair.
Yes. I'm Gary. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Gary.
I'm the green and hairy Snuggle Mom.
This is the newest creation.
Oh, that's why I didn't recognize him.
Yeah,
I saw him
was,
picture.
made like maybe 4 months ago.
Oh.
And brand freaking new.
Just a baby.
Hey, Gary.
Baby puppy.